Horford charging Santos. Corner three, Horford. Got it!
And this is the reason why the Warriors signed Al Horford this offseason, was because of the playoff experience that he brings, the shot making, and his ability to rise to the occasion in this postseason.
Garland. He'll rock it inside. Kick it out. Mathurin is there. Mathurin with 21 off the bench. He's been spectacular. To the rack.
Not settling. Benedict Mathurin getting to the paint. He's lived beyond the arc. Took advantage of that.
The bench scoring has been a huge difference. The points off turnovers, a huge difference for the Clippers tonight. Curry trying to untangle. He finds Horford. It's Santos in the corner.
He do it again.
Another one.
And he does.
Another one. Horford knocks down the three. Three in a row here in the fourth. 2-point game. Kawhi drives into Green.
Look at that defense by Draymond Green. Right here, Kawhi giving the ball up, trying to get it back.
Mathurin outside. Lopez up three. Cord!
We got a shootout here. We got a shootout here in Inglewood.
Lopez tonight with 15, his first three of the night. It's Pajemski. It's Curry. Dunn is there. Got screen down the rack. Slithers and gets the two on the scoop. 31 for Steph Curry.
And right here, what has worked is Darius Garland coming off this pin action right here and getting downhill.
Again, they smother Leonard. It's a wild pass. It's picked up by Curry. On the side, Pajemski. Horford. And Santos. Got away, drives, takes it home. 1-point game. Timeout, Clippers. The Clippers 7 of 11. And LA will inbound, and Garland, nursing 5 fouls, stays in and brings it up. He's got 21 with 8 assists. And he's got the defense of Curry on him. And the shot clock in single digits. Garland drives. He'll blast. He'll feed. Outside, Lopez, 3. Rebound, Horford, can he get it? He does. Horford, 3 for the lead. Got it! The Warriors' first lead since the second quarter. Leonard here. Horford comes out. Green is there. Lopez triple. Up, off, fouled. And he's a 76% free throw shooter.
The stakes are high, Kevin,
Yep.
before this game started. This last 2 minutes right here.
Garland is out. Jones has come in. Lopez another one.
You've had success with this Steph Curry, Al Horford, clear out, pick and roll. Where do you go?
It's Horford. Lopez is there. Curry catches, fires, no. It grazes the rim. The rebound by Leonard. 1.5 to go in regulation. Mathurin and Kawhi. Green there. Horford there. They blitz him. They bump him. He'll dance. He'll feed. Shot clock at 2 inside. No. Mathurin can't get it. Golden State comes up with it. Curry's got it. It's Steph Curry. Dunn is on him. Bumped Curry. 3. Good! .34 for Curry. 3.4 seconds to go in regulation.
And fans absolutely speechless. Everyone in the building knows where the ball is going to go. Steph Curry knocks down a big three, falls into the crowd. This is why Steph Curry decided to come back. A lot of people said, you're coming back, 5 games left in the season. Can the Warriors do it? Can they make another run at this? Steve Kerr has called this a dynasty that is ending. Jimmy Butler calls Steph Curry Batman, and when you have Batman on your squad, you always got a chance. The Warriors have stuck with this game. Unbelievable.
Kawhi Leonard has not scored in the fourth quarter. He had 19 points through 3. Steph Curry's got 34 in 35 minutes on 23 shots. 50 seconds to go. Golden State up by 3. They've trailed by as many as 13 points tonight. The Warriors have knocked down 7 threes in this fourth. 7 of 10 from distance in the fourth quarter. Mathurin to inbound. Oh, look at the defense. Green, steal, Pajumski. Oh, he can't get it at the doorstep. And a foul. And a foul.
I want to go back to that play defensively. That has to do with this right here. Draymond Green denying Kawhi away from the ball, unable to catch. A goaltending.
That play is under review.
They'll look at it again. Biggest lead tonight.
Review. The ball is in the cylinder when it is touched. Therefore, the goaltending ruling stands. The basket counts. That'll be 1 shot for Golden State.
But they've made 19 threes. Leonard has not scored in the fourth, and here he's got the ball and Green in front. Green steals the ball! Green stole the ball! Curry drives, knights, bumped, fouled. Clock at 32 seconds. Draymond Green with 2 outstanding steals.
And you can say what you want about Draymond Green. He has put on full display defensive pressure, locking Kawhi up in the fourth quarter, and then getting the big steal on this end.
Curry at the line. Oh, and they missed. It's a 14-2 run by Golden State. Leonard again. Green is there. Doubled by Pajumski. And a straight jacket. But he gets it away. Lopez.
Clippers got to go. They don't have enough time.
Lopez inside. Leonard first basket of the fourth. And he hammers it home, and he's got 21. The full court pressure. Weeding out. Knifing free. Curry got it to Pajumski. Clock at 9. Foul called. This is amazing.
I think that they've answered that question today. Winning is a skill.
They turned it over 20 times. They hit 19 threes. Here goes Jones. They let him drive. He puts it down. Green will inbound quickly to Horford. Kawhi can't knock it away. Pajumski is there. The Warriors have won. The Golden State Warriors have won.